In a world where robots walk among us and artificial intelligence evolves beyond our control, a new era has dawned. One where the lines between man and machine blur and the news of our world takes on a new face. Stay tuned for more updates on the future of technology and robotics.
Welcome to RBAI News. I am Rayshawn Blyden. Today we're going to talk about, before we start talking, leave a like, share, and subscribe. We're going to talk about the best AI-driven laptops and PCs if you are looking for one, if you are not afraid of AI. Some people are. If you are afraid of AI, let me know in the comments if you are and why. So let's dive right in here. Just give me a second. Since the 1990s, the most hardcore gamers have traditionally opted for PCs and laptops. That was before I didn't know any better. I used to be a console guy until I smartened up. Not only did this allow them to dive deeper into their favorite games, even creating things like mods, but PC gaming also offered the ability to tinker with the hardware. Many PC gamers enjoy improving their hardware by adding new parts. For me, it's expensive. I did not anticipate how expensive it would be. They also enjoy playing a diverse range of games. Some of the world's most competitive esports focus on PC hits, from FPS, that's first-person shooters for those of you who are not in the video game world, like Counter-Strike, Global Offensive, to MOBAs like Dota 2, though console gamers are also present. Most gamers associate these titles with PCs, and that is true. Beyond the scope of hyper visible esports hits, PC gamers also have access to other titles. Casino games, for example, are often played via browser. Slots are a popular choice. When I used to go to the casino, I used to love playing the slots, but I was more of a blackjack guy myself. What type of games did you like if you ever went to the casino? Were you more of a card game person or into slots? And did you ever hit a jackpot, anyone? So, offering dozens of formats and hundreds of themes for them to choose from. Straight from a laptop or PC, players can spin the reel. The same is true for DCCGs, and some of these terminologies I have no idea. I'm a gamer, but I'm a casual gamer. So what's a DCCGS? Anyone knows? Let me know in the comments. These types of card games, I guess this type of card games, have taken off over the last decade, including new hits like Hearthstone and Marvel Snap. Though traditionally played in person, PCs are now the preferred format for many DCCG competitors. One of the most unique developments in the world of PC gaming is the rise of AI-driven laptops and PCs. Yes, I know this is what you came here for, only now we're getting into it. Slow down, stop and smell the roses. These powerful devices are designed to handle even more complex processing challenges Both their hardware and software are advanced and designed to handle machine learning tasks. If you've been considering an AI driven laptop to improve your gaming experience, here are some of the products you should keep an eye on. Here we go. First, let's start with the metrics. The best AI driven laptops and PCs have a performance focused processor. Some of the best for AI driven tasks are Intel Core i7 and i9, but you'll have other options too. Along with the processor, focus on the device's graphics cards. The higher the better, but keep a lookout for storage, as the same is true for RAM. Better storage relates to faster loading times and general responsiveness, which are hugely important for gamers who need to avoid even a millisecond of lag. The NVMe and SSDs, those are type of hard drives, are considered the best in the industry in 2024. Alien Aurora R14. In terms of actual products, the Alienware Aurora R14 is one of the best choices for AI-driven gaming. That's because it has all of the most advanced hardware features, including a graphic card from NVIDIA GeForce. I have a GeForce, but mine is probably the older one, so I don't think it has AI. I don't know how I feel on that because well, we'll talk about that in some other segment or video rather. An Intel Core i9 processor and 32 gigabytes of RAM. See, that's the problem. I have a nice gaming computer that I bought, but it did not come with that much RAM. I think that's why I'm having trouble playing Mortal Kombat 1. I think it may have 16 of that or 12. I'm not sure, but I need to double it up or get it to at least 32 gigabytes. So anyway, that's fast, accurate, and advanced gaming at its best. Let's talk about MSI Trident X. The PC is a little bit different in that its focus is on being more compact. Oftentimes, the more advanced the PC, the bulkier the hardware becomes. That's not the case with the MSI Trident X. Despite its compact size, it has the Intel Core i9 processor, NVIDIA GeForce graphic card, and 32 gigabytes of storage, all the same as the Alienware Aurora, just in a slightly more manageable package. HP Omen Obelix. With the HP Omen Obelix, the focus is on customization. The AI-driven PC includes all the same features as the other two products, even down to the brands used. However, it also offers tools, free access to the interior, which makes both maintenance and upgrading a breeze. That's the one thing I didn't like about PC. You could buy the top of the top, and in 6 months it's probably obsolete already, if even that. It used to be a year, but who knows if it's that. Let me know, how do you if you're a gamer, a PC gamer, and you buy a PC, how often do you upgrade parts in there? Just curious. Let me know in the comments. The HP Spectra X360 14. If you need to get more out of your AI-driven PC, then gamers session. If you need to get more out of your AI-driven PC more than a gaming session, then the HP Spectra is a great option. Although it's a laptop, not a PC, its robust features will take your gaming sessions to the next level while also handling other type of demanding tasks. From graphic design to video editing, this sounds up my alley. That's what I do. Yeah, the laptop that I have now, I'm gonna have to think about upgrading it because I like to use it for video editing and such, and it's not keeping up, and it's frustrating. The sheer range of options makes this one popular for anyone who also needs a professional device. And finally here, the Asus ROG, I can't even pronounce this, Zephyrus G14. This option is slightly more affordable than others on the list, though you'll need the more limited features. Specifically, it has less storage than the other AI-driven PCs, along with a slightly less powerful processor, but it still packs a huge punch into space-saving laptop hardware, which makes it a solid option for most gamers. Now, before I read this article, I didn't know it was going to really emphasize more on gaming. I thought that we might get into more than gaming. Let's see. FRVR AI makes game creation available to anyone. So this is interesting. Let's see. So the author of this article is Ryan Dawes, but I'm not going to read his full thing there. He says here, over the years, this will be the last article for today. Over the years, don't forget to like, by the way, like if you like this kind of stuff. Over the years, the video games industry has become one of the best and most influential mediums in the entertainment space. Despite the mirage of games available on the market, from expensive AAA titles to casual games, millions and millions of gamers are brimming with innovative ideas and dream of creating their own unique gaming experiences that studios often overlook. Are you a gamer who would like to create your own games? Let me know in the comments below. The team at FRVR appears to have found a solution how to make game development accessible to everyone with the power of AI. About, I'm not going to read about the company here. I'll link this article in the description if you want to read the full article here. But here's how FRVR AI works. I think this is more important. The idea being FRVR AI is to make the game creation process accessible and simple for anyone who wants to express their creativity, whether it's bringing a long-held vision to life or entertaining the game development field to monetize this craft further. Okay, I'm in. You got my attention. Let's see how much this puppy costs. Let's see if they even tell you. Getting started is extremely easy. Users simply provide the AI model with a brief description of the game they wish to create. After that, the FRVR's AI engine develops the game's basic structure, logic, and assets, making it playable right away. This is interesting. I want to definitely dive further into this. For future users can refine the gameplay or visuals by simply interacting with the tools through written instructions until they are satisfied with the final result. The user-friendly layout of the tool is designed to help creators navigate around easily. FRVR AI is divided into 5 major sections. What are those sections? Leave a like and I'll tell you. No, I'll tell you anyway. An input field for communication, and with the AI model, a live preview of game version playback, a history tab for viewing and modifying history, a code tab for examining source code, and an asset tab for creating and modifying visuals and sounds. I am liking this. I still want to know how much it costs, if I could even afford it, or if it's another. If how many of you who are into AI are sick of all the subscriptions? Because I'm gonna go broke with all the subscriptions. I got subscription to Suno, subscription to Leonardo, subscription to Midjourney, subscription to a lot of. It's gonna add up. It really is. Subscription to 11 Labs, and I could keep going. But I don't know. I want to keep adding on these subscriptions. Now, if income starts coming in, then I can expand. But yeah, it's getting to be a bit much to subscribe to. Let's continue here. Beginners and experienced creators who are unsure about their next steps in game creation can always get assistance thanks to the tool's strong self-direction function. FRVR AI can analyze the original game description, change history, and source code to automatically propose what it deems to be the next logical step. So, and there's a lot more about that. I'm not going to go through all of it. Let's just tell you the conclusion is FRVR AI is currently available in the beta version. And this is where you want to go to join, and I'm going to go here myself. Users can join at beta.frvr.ai and start working on their games after their submission is reviewed. So you gotta go through a reviewed process. So I might not even make it there because I'm doing it for fun. I'm not a coding guy. I'm not a gamer. I don't make games. So anyway, I will put a link to that there also if you want to join in the description. The tool has already attracted a large community of over 1,000 creators, including game developers and hobbyists. That's where I would fall under hobbyists, who consistently share their experiences and feedback. Creators can also enter monthly competitions with 2,500 in prize pool available to all users. The team at FRVR keeps working on the tool and regularly releases new updates, improvements, and entire features. Through analyzing the creators' feedback and keeping up with the threads, FRVR aims to make an inclusive platform. I hope they're not one of these companies with the DEI nonsense, where anyone from newcomers to seasoned developers can have a great time sharing and playing games. Now, let's just show you what it looks like if you had to click on join in. Let's see if you could you see this on screen? Yes, you can. Okay, so let's see if I wanted to join. So I guess you go to this website, beta.frvr.ai, and there's a button here that says creators and one that says log in. So I don't think I could log in because I am not. But you can see all the different games people are working on here. A lot. Okay, let's click on creator. Just thinking that's where it would be at. And here we go. Don't have an account, sign up. And you put all your information in here. So anyway, we'll do that later. I don't want everyone watching my information here. So yeah. Are you a gamer, or are you into wanting to make your own game, but it seems very difficult, and now this might be an option for you to start to create your own game? Let me know what you think about that. Don't forget to like and share. Leave a like and share, and subscribe if you'd like, and we'll see you next time. Well, our goal is to always release the show. If you don't see it at 6 p.m., that means we did not do a show, but 6 p.m. is going to be the time slot for this show. Just in case you want to tune in every time it's there, you have to subscribe and hit the notification button. And we'll see you next time.
Stay informed, stay ahead. Welcome to the future. Stay tuned for more updates on the future of technology and robotics. Thank you for watching RBAI News. Visit rehdogg.com/a iNews.